Okay, what it do, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Finally, it's been a good minute, but we've been busy. We've been working on shit. We've been working on the car. In this video, we're gonna be spray painting our calipers. So if you guys didn't see our original video, we have installed Type R EP3 calipers to EP3. I just realized I wasn't even focusing. But yes, we have the Type R calipers on the car. It's about time that we start painting them because you can actually see them through the new wheels. I didn't do a wheel reveal because I was too excited to actually put them on, but here it is. Now the fitment's not that, crazy, but it's there. Obviously the car's lifted right now. I'll show you guys later once the car is lowered. But yeah, we got some fucking Zennies. If you guys didn't know, the Type R wheels are I think 17 by 7 with like a 65 offset or something like that, something hella weird. So we're running a 15mm spacer, and then the tires are Falcon Zennies, and I think they're 225/45. Yeah, so there are the specs, a little bit OEM-ish look. So yeah, and then what else is new? That's pretty much it. We haven't really done much else. We have a new steering wheel coming in. I'm excited to show you that. It was supposed to be originally for the FG4, but the FG4 is now stock. So that's pretty much it. Nothing else. Oh, and then we shampooed the seats with the little green machine. I'll show you guys. I'll put the TikTok now. Yeah, I made a TikTok about it because it's pretty dope. Oh, and when we got the Narita dogfight banner, we gotta rock that. But yeah, so what we're gonna be using for today, we're gonna remove the wheel, and we're gonna this is painter's plastic. So basically, like the paint sticks onto the actual plastic while you're painting. So with that, we're gonna pretty much wrap it around the car so that no overspray gets on the car and inside. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to take off the actual caliper. I know people are going to be like, yeah, you should just take off the whole caliper, but I don't want to, bleed my brakes or anything. So let's get to it. Okay, so to clean this, we're just going to be using caliper cleaner. This is a duplicate color one, and then this wire brush. If you have anything more crazier, I guess you could use that, but we're just going to clean it on here. Now we're just going to take the caliper off. Okay, so pretty much after a lot of cleaning and re-cleaning and then refinding gunk and shit, I decided to just take the whole caliper off just to do it right. I don't want to do this ever again. So now next I'm going to tape up all the little parts I don't want to be sprayed, like probably just a valve, honestly. And then for the caliper mount, I took off the bolts and the little rubber washer things or whatever. I'm gonna get some new ones to replace them. So we're just gonna do this set for now and then go start cleaning the other set while we're painting this set. All right, quick update. We have the I'm so tired. All right, quick update. We have the other half of the calipers here, which is the part that holds the rotor on or whatever. We've clear coated them a couple times, couple passes. And here are the calipers. These have been clear coated. I'm thinking of doing one more pass before we leave them to dry. The inside I'm not even gonna worry about because it's gonna come off anyways. Here's the other one. There we go. Type R. So then we're gonna like remove it from the Type R lettering. We're gonna paint the R red. Oh, focus, come on. Anyway, so we're gonna remove the Type R font color on there. Leave the Type R like a steel color, and then the R is going to be red, which is that red pen that we have. But as of now, that's how it's going to sit for a whole day. That's how it's going to sit for a couple of days, and then we're going to get back to it tomorrow, hopefully. Anyways, yeah, tomorrow we'll probably do that Type R lettering, just so I can have like a full day's worth of sitting, and then maybe Friday we'll install them. So it's the second day. And we're gonna scrape these off. Oop. Now we're gonna scrape this off right here, that way we can get the R colored red. And we'll probably leave the Type R into like that regular metal finish, so let's do it. Okay, the brakes are finally on. We bled the brake lines. We should be good. I'm gonna go test the brakes out right now, but here you go. The reveal. So thank you guys again for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you haven't already. Just stay tuned for more videos. Check out all my other EP3 videos. Leave a comment down below what you thought, or if you have any other suggestions, leave a comment so that other people can take those advices that y'all given that I didn't do. So yeah, give me a follow on Instagram and all the other shit. So